The new stone buildings at Sannox on the Isle of Arran are inspired by the 8th to 12th century Celtic Christian monastic community at Skellig Michael off the southwest coast of Ireland. Their stone construction has ensured that they survive to this day. The Beehive Chapel and the cave are two standalone buildings central to the existing church and the proposed Creative Arts Centre. The positioning of the buildings is shown in the underlying geometry of the triquetra and the ichthus. The plans also show the critical dimensions for setting out the building on site. Note that the points of the triquetra are at the node points of the circles forming the three zones: cave, refectory and road. The cave. To create an atmosphere suitable for prayer and contemplation, the only source of natural light here is a small lancet window. This will be backlit in the evening. The Beehive Chapel sections show the critical dimensions and radii, as well as the construction of the outer walls with a timber insulated dome supporting the external stone dome. Internally, the dome will be pure white with the stained glass windows and the patterned floor providing colour and interest. The dome is constructed of individual insulated timber panels which are craned into position and bolted together to form a rigid structure. These are manufactured in factory conditions and are curved in one direction in a consistent arc. High-functioning, thermally efficient double-glazed windows and chapel entrance doors will then be installed. The stonework outer layer can now commence on site. It will be down to the skill of the builders to ensure that the stonework is built to a true circular shape. Various flashings will be installed where required at windows to dispel rainwater. We are looking here at the plywood finish of the SIPS panels. We will need a highly skilled plasterer to create a perfectly smooth and consistently curved finish. The stone floor can now be installed to the design requirements of the geometric pattern. The stained glass windows can then be fitted into the window frames. A sculptural feature forming a central altarpiece will seem to hover over a shallow pool of water. Concealed uplighters will provide low-level illumination of the dome ceiling in various colours. From above, we can see the underlying shape of the Celtic cross, which integrates all elements of the whole project. The geometry of the plan is reflected on the doors of the chapel as bas-relief. On entering the chapel, the altarpiece is aligned with the northeast facing window and the Celtic cross beyond. This will be particularly evocative when the sun is throwing the cross into silhouette at various times during the year.